everyone. In our last video of Advent of Europeans, we have discussed about the European trade companies like Portuguese, Dutch, English and French. This we have discussed. Now we have to see the competition between English and French. The Portuguese and Dutch had withdrawn from India, unable to withstand the competition from French and English by 18th century. Finally, French and English restored to show strength in order to establish their political supremacy over India. Meanwhile, political volatility, or we can say that unpredictability, has been arose in the region of Hyderabad and Carnatic. Carnatic is that the eastern part of Tamil Nadu is called as Carnatic, and both the English and French tried to exploit the situation in their favor. This led to three Carnatic wars. Now we will see about three Carnatic wars. First, we have to deal with the first Carnatic War in 1746 to 48. On the request of Dupleix, Laudonnière, a French military leader from Mauritius is a country, invaded Madras and captured it. This forced the helplessness British to request the help of Anwaruddin, the Nawab of Carnatic, for the support. The army sent by Anwaruddin failed to defeat the French at Madras. Finally, Laudonnière took money from the English and returned Madras and went back to Mauritius. This made angry Dupleix and attempted to take Madras but failed in it. Finally, this war ended with the Treaty of Europe between France and England, called Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Here it is in First Carnatic War. First they tried to capture Madras. The French leader tried to capture the Madras and he was successful. By returning there, the British has took support from the Anwaruddin, but Anwaruddin army was defeated. Due to this reason, the British has given money to the Laudonnière and he has taken the money and went back to Mauritius, and after this they have signed an agreement or the treaty. It is called as Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Now next it is Second Carnatic War 1749 to 1754. In the changed circumstances, French made Salabat Jung, another son of Asaf Jah, as the Nizam of Hyderabad. An officer named Bussy was stationed in Hyderabad for his protection by French. In Carnatic, Chanda Sahib was the Nawab with the help of French. Robert Clive of East India Company attacked Arcot, the capital city of Carnatic, and defeated Chanda Sahib. Chanda Sahib was imprisoned and later killed in this war. In the place of Chanda Sahib, the English named Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin, as a Nawab of Carnatic. The Second Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry. Here it is. In Second Carnatic War, this war has been fought between the period of 1749 to 1754. Here the two persons in Carnatic also. Here Asif Jah, the Nizam of Hyderabad. The French has supported to Nizam of Hyderabad, as well as in Carnatic they have made Chanda Sahib as a Nawab. In return, Robert Clive, what he has done, he has attacked on Arcot, the capital of Carnatic, and they have defeated to Chanda Sahib. In the same scenario, the Chanda Sahib has imprisoned and later he was killed. And in the place of Chanda Sahib, English has made Muhammad Ali as a new Nawab of Carnatic, and this battle has ended with the treaty, this Treaty of Pondicherry. Now next it is the Third Carnatic War between the period 1756 to 1763. Comte de Lally of French attempted to besiege Wandiwash. Wandiwash, it is a place in Tamil Nadu, in 1760. In this decisive battle, Sir Eyre Court of English army defeated the French and imprisoned Bussy. Lally escaped and hid in Pondicherry. Finally, Eyre Court attacked Pondicherry and Lally had to surrender unconditionally in 1761. French had to lose all their bases in India due to Carnatic wars. In spite of this, as per the Treaty of Paris in 1763, Pondicherry was returned to French. With this development, the French lost their importance in India. Like this, English became defeating all their rivals, started consolidating their power over southern India. In all the three Carnatic wars, the British become more powerful in South India. Now next we have to deal with the British rule in India. After gaining political control over South India, the British tried to gain control over rich Bengal province in later part of 18th century. The Bengal province has achieved tremendous growth in the area of agriculture, commerce and industry. The East India Company was making considerable profit from this province. Province means state. The dastakats or license, we can say a license or a permission which are given the trade free or to carry on the trade without paying the tax. It is called as dastakat. The permission to carry on the trade without paying the tax. It is called as dastakat. Then this dastakat has been issued by the Mughal ruler Farooq Shiara, were the main reason for this. But these dastakats that were limited to the company transactions were misused by individual officers of the company too. Here transaction means deal or agreement. This resulted in a huge loss to Bengal government. Hence all the Nawab from Rashid Ali Khan to Ali Wordi Khan were opposing such misuses. Later this to conflagration between the Nawab and company. This resulted into crucial wars which charter a decisive course to Indian history like Plassey and Buxar were these two wars. In our next class we will discuss about the Battle of Plassey and Buxar. Thank you.